RC enthusiasts, this is Tom's hands again for another NX transmitter tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the model templates and bind and fly templates on your NX transmitter. One of the cool things about the NX series is that we have preloaded every single bind and fly model up to this point onto the radio, at least every preset that we had, so that you can easily go ahead and, like, let's say you buy a new E-flite plane or like an E-flite Timber or a Viper like I have here, and you don't want to go through putting the settings or trying to transfer it from the website onto your radio or reading a manual. You can go ahead and upload it onto here. So these are for bind and fly. If you buy a plug and play, just a quick note, it may not work the same. These bind and fly preset models are for the AS3X receivers that come commonly in those models. Another thing that you get is templates. So you have two templates that are pre-assigned, and you can make more templates if you like, that you can go ahead and use to kind of get a pre-start on how things work. So a template would be, let's say you have a certain way that you like 3D planes to be set up. You have, you like to have your expo a certain way when you start out, and you like to have your switches in certain positions for different functions. You can go ahead and create those templates, and I'm going to show you how to do these things. So go ahead and watch along to learn how. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the screen so you can get a better look at what I'm doing. Okay, so one really quick, easy way to do this, and one thing that I love about this radio, and really the DX radios in general, is if you press the clear and back button, it'll go to the model select screen, and you go to add new model. If you go to this box, see how it highlights the airplane there? You can change the model type. You can change it to like a helicopter, sailplane, drone, quadcopter, or you can go to template or bind and fly. If we go to template and hit create, it'll pull up this templates menu. So these two are the preset templates that are already inside the radio. If we want to make more, we're going to go over that later. Let's go back. Let's try this again. I really love how you can go here and go to BNF for bind and fly, and then go to create, and it automatically goes to this list that is saved on the memory of the NX transmitter. You can scroll through, and it is categorized by part number. So if you're not sure what something is, like what plane you're looking for, you can look it up by part number, or you can scroll or you can scroll through this long list of available model presets. Let's say you just bought an E-flite SU-30 twin EDF. You got that, and you go down to it and select it. You're going to say it will be appended to the end of the model select list. Yes, of course. We're going to import it. Give it a moment or two. And there you go. We have an SU-30 twin EDF model preset already loaded up. We can bind it up to our SU-30, check all the control surfaces, make sure everything's working right, and go fly. Awesome stuff. All right, so let's say we want to create a template. Like I was saying earlier, let's say you fly a lot of 3D planes and you want to have a 3D plane template. We're going to go to, let's just go ahead and select a 3D plane. Let's see what I got on here. Oh, I haven't put any 3D planes on here. I need to get on that. But let's go ahead and select the Ultimate 3D with reverse. Select. That's a good 3D plane, a good way to start out. And you're going to go to Transfer SD card. You're going to select Model Import Export if it's not already selected. And you're going to export the model. Oh, we don't want to export it yet. We want to choose a folder. Select the Templates folder. Go back. Now the templates folder is selected. We're going to select the option. We're going to export, and we'll hit export. Give it a moment. And now if we go back and we try to create a new model, and we hit add new model, we change this to template like we did a second ago. We hit create. It's going to go here. And now we have that model there. So you could name that model, you could rename it. Let's say you just made a model that was a 3D model and you wanted to go ahead and make it that template. You could name it 3D model template, 3D plane template, whatever you like, and now it is a template. You can do essentially the same thing in the transfer SD card menu for the bind and fly folder as well. So you can use the folders to kind of categorize and organize your different model presets. Okay, so that is it for this video. This is Tom's Hands signing off. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Or if you have suggestions for more NX transmitter how-tos or any how-tos in general, go ahead and leave those in the comments below and we'll see if we can get to them. Again, thanks for watching and happy flying, everybody. Have a great day.